Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sierra. I do specialize in making credit make sense so you can overcome your financial hardships. So on today's video, I just wanted to talk about a credit card, give you guys a credit card review on a particular credit card that I love and that I always promote to my clients, and that is the Discover It Secured Credit Card or either the Discover It Student Credit Card. Now, with the secured credit card, of course, you do have to put down a deposit, which is $200. But as long as you're paying, on time, you're reporting low usage on your reporting date, they do upgrade that card. You do get your security funds back and you get a higher limit credit card. Now, with the student card, you don't have to put anything down. You just sign up and they approve you, but you do have to be a student and they will verify your student email. Keep in mind with this card, you can do a pre-approval, but a pre-approval does not always mean that you're qualified, sadly. So you want to make sure that you want to do more research on this card. You want to make sure that you don't have a lot of derogatory marks. This is basically a card for if you're rebuilding or building, not if you have a lot of collections. No, this is not the card for you. And I'm gonna get into some other cards and some more videos, but for today we're just gonna stick to the Discover credit card. So I love this card because it have perks. Well, first off, there is no annual fees with this card. The perks you get right now is 5% cash backs on restaurants, um, grocery stores, and gas stations. And then you get 1% back on all other purchases that you make with this card. And then at the end of the year, they do like a cash back rewards. Like, I love this card so much. Let me tell you guys a couple of reviews. So I had one client, she applied for the student credit card. She got approved right away. She started off with $1,000 credit limit. Made sure that she was making on-time payments monthly. I was making sure that on her statement date, she's reporting 10%. And she went from no credit score to a 750. Another client I have, which is a male, same thing. He applied for the student credit card. He applied. He got approved instantly. The credit limit was, I believe, 1,300. Within a little as 6 months, he had no credit score either. A little as 6 months, he had a 750. He went to the car lot. He got approved for a car, a low interest, a low payment amount, and I was so proud. I was so proud of him. I'm gonna show you guys um, results or a picture of their credit score in this video, either here or there. But yeah, I really love this card if you're in the building stage. A little bit of research and you want to make sure that, again, you don't have a lot of derogatory marks. You have at least a 620, and then I do show that it pulls from Experian, not the other two credit bureaus. So that's pretty much all I have for this particular credit card. Oh, another thing, if you guys don't know, the credit card do report to all three credit bureaus. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this card. I will drop more videos in regards to different cards that I think is good fit for if you have, bad credit, if you're looking to um, rebuild. A lot of different credit cards. I'm gonna drop them for y'all. Thumbs up today's video. If you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I do offer free consultations. I will put the link in the description box, and just set up a call and we can talk and see what you got going on, come up with a game plan. I hope this video helps you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.